Hey y'all, okay, so we're going to talk about shapes. And the main thing that's important for them to learn in kindergarten is how to describe and identify their 2D shapes and their 3D shapes. And I explain 2D shapes, which are flat like this. If you cannot make a hole in it and fill it up, then it is a 2D shape. There's no way to make a hole in this paper towel and fill it up with water or any kind of liquid. You can make a hole in this dice and fill it up. So this is a 3D shape. And with their 2D shapes, you can find them all over your house. Your cabinets are rectangles. Some of your knobs, the flat things, those are circles. And the main shapes we want them to be able to identify in kindergarten are squares, circles, triangles, rectangles, and hexagons. And hexagons are going to be kind of difficult for you to find around your house. I could not find a hexagon at my house, but you can draw one maybe. It has 6 sides. So that would be kind of interesting to have them draw a hexagon. But when we're talking about 3D shapes, there's a lot of 3D shapes located in your cabinets. If you look at your peanut butter jars, those are cylinders. Your paper towel holders are cylinders. Your boxes of snacks, those are called rectangular prisms. And we've talked a little bit about this in class, so they might be able to tell you that this is a rectangular prism. But the main thing is for them to understand the difference between a cube and a rectangular prism. A cube is the same on all of its sides, okay? It's not just a box. It's the same on all the sides. That's the definition of a cube. A rectangular prism, all the sides are not the same, okay? So have them just look in your cabinet and pick out a cylinder, rectangular prisms. They could even do a pyramid, maybe a triangular prism, things like that. And there's some really good videos on YouTube. Jack Hartman does some really good videos. Starfall has a really good video of the shapes and describing them and things like that. And also they can tell you the sides are the flat part of the shape, and the vertices of the shape. The vertices are the corners of the shapes. And have them talk about them and have them tell you that's a rectangle, and then ask them, how do you know that's a rectangle? Because 2 of the sides are long and 2 of the sides are short. You know, how do you know that's a cylinder? How do you know that's a sphere? And so our main 3D shapes that we want them to identify are cubes, cones, cylinders, and spheres. And we just threw in rectangular prism because the kids, it was on one of the videos that we watched, so they'll probably tell you that. But yeah, just go around your house, have them talk about their shapes, have them find shapes, and ask them questions about them, and that's it.